Switzerland is located in Central Europe. It is bordered by France to the west, Italy to the south, Austria and Liechtenstein to the east, and Germany to the north. Switzerland has a diverse landscape that includes the Swiss Alps, rolling hills, and pristine lakes. The climate in Switzerland is temperate with warm summers and cold winters. The population of Switzerland is approximately 8.7 million people, and the official languages are German, French, Italian, and Romansh. The majority of the population is Christian, with Catholicism and Protestantism being the largest denominations. The capital city of Switzerland is Bern, but the largest city is Zurich. Other important cities in Switzerland include Geneva, Basel, and Lausanne. The currency in Switzerland is the Swiss franc. The Swiss economy is highly developed and diversified, with a focus on banking, finance, and high-tech industries. Swiss cuisine is known for its delicious cheese, chocolate, and traditional dishes such as fondue, tarts, and quiches. Switzerland is also famous for its fine luxury watches. Switzerland's tourist attractions include the Matterhorn, Lake Geneva, and the Rhine Falls. The country is also known for its outdoor recreation, including skiing and snowboarding in the Swiss Alps, and hiking and mountain biking in the summer months. Additionally, Switzerland is home to the European headquarters of the United Nations in Geneva, and the headquarters of several international organizations, such as the International Red Cross and the World Health Organization. Switzerland has a long history of neutrality, dating back to the 16th century. Switzerland has not participated in any international conflicts since 1815. Switzerland is also the birthplace of the Red Cross, a humanitarian organization that provides assistance to people affected by war and natural disasters.